everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking ปลากระพงผัดขึ้นช่าย or fried fish with the parsley. Are you ready? Let's go. Today I have a fish tempura powder for fried fish, parsley, spring onion, chili, garlic, ginger, pork powder, sugar, pepper, soy sauce. Okay. First step, I have to cut the fish. Now I have to cut the ginger. Cut like a spaghetti. Now I have to cut the spring onion. Chili. And I have to cut parsley. Now I have to put the fish in the tempura powder flavours. I want to do same like this with the fish body. The fish body. Nấu rồi con. Okay, finito. Okay, now I want to put the oil in the fire. Now the oil is hot enough. I have to put the fish. Now is a beautiful fish. It's good, beautiful. Beautiful. Now I have to fry a body fish. It's too big. Now body is beautiful. Wow. Okay, now I have to fry a vegetable with the sauce and I put the oil, not too much. Now I have to fry garlic first. And I have to fry ginger. Okay, now I have to put the water. And I put the soy sauce, pepper, pork powder and sugar, and I mix everything. I have to put the fish in my sauce and I mix everything in the sauce, and after I put vegetable, spring onion, parsley and chili. Look delicious, beautiful. I put in the paste. Okay, now time for eating. Oh, it's beautiful. Very good. It's setting is salty and little sweet. It's delicious. Yummy. Okay, now everything is okay. And don't forget for subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much for your watching. ขอบคุณค่ะ See you next video. Bye bye. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are cooking. เอาใหม่ดิปลากระพงผัดขึ้นช่ายอะ
Okay.
Parsley. Now is the oil is enough is to be hot
ที่ไหน
ไม่ใช่หรอโอเคเอาใหม่
Now the oil is hot
เอ
enough
อมา is a kashi
อะไรนะ
kashi อ่ะ
cashier
อะไรนะ
crunchy
crunchy is a crunchy is a very good